dead nettle, the white dead nettle, is fairly common, comes from Europe, Asia, North Africa. Here is the stinging nettle, and then here's the dead nettle. And you can see they look very similar, but of course the main giveaway is the white flowers. Now it's called a dead nettle because it doesn't have any stings. It's not poisonous, it's very edible. And you can eat it raw or cooked, flowers or leaves. Very good for you, just like any kind of green vegetable. You can even cure wounds with it. It's got a slight antiseptic, kind of wound healing properties. Very good for just about everything really. It's one of those preventative medicine things, but it's a very good survival food. And if it's mild enough, it flowers right throughout the winter. It's a herbaceous plant. Seems to like growing on the margins between woodlands and grass, like a hedgerow plant. Here it's right by a beach here. So this one usually flowers right throughout the winter, in fact. There's quite a few big clumps of it here. So it's one of those plants that's very nutritious. And just if you pick it, it grows again. So sometimes I just collect the tops like that and just cook them, and they're really nice. They're sort of easier in many ways than eating stinging nettles, but they just don't have the stings, you know. They're pretty much the same. They don't have the massive medicinal uses like a stinging nettle has, but they're still pretty good. And you can collect them without kind of fear of being stung. And you do get yellow ones as well. A few different types of dead nettle, loads of different types of dead nettles. And these are the ones that really look like stinging nettles when they're not flowering. They're almost identical. I mean, look at that. You can hardly tell them apart. But when they're flowering, it's easy to tell them apart.